Hey guys, Dean here again with Team Deparu, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can make $100 a day with Instagram affiliate marketing. We're going to be taking a look at some products on Max Bounty today, and we're going to be choosing one to promote on an Instagram page. I'm going to show you guys how to do that step by step from beginning to end, including picking out an offer, setting up a funnel, and walking you through the process of building a page and promoting your offers on the page itself. So I hope you guys pay attention. Also, make sure you like and subscribe to the video, to the channel. Alright guys, for those of you guys just checking in, again we're going to be talking about how to make $100 a day with Instagram affiliate marketing. I'm going to show you guys step by step the process it takes to be able to build an income online through affiliate marketing using Instagram's free traffic. So make sure you guys paying close attention, and let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing, of course, that you're going to need with Instagram affiliate marketing is obviously an Instagram account. I do already have this affiliate Instagram account that I already set up here in a previous video that we've done together. So as you can see, it is dog related. It's just got a dog little training thing in here in the bio, and it's just got a bunch of dog pictures that people are gonna like, and a bunch of videos, different things like that, basically surrounding dogs and pets. So what we're gonna do today is I wanted to do something a little different. Most of the other videos were based off of ClickBank products like ebooks and things like that. I want to do an actual kind of physical product here today. So if you guys didn't know, Max Bounty actually does carry physical products to e-commerce products. So what I wanted to show you guys today was how to find those, as well as we're going to choose one today together, and we're going to go ahead and promote it as well. So if you go into the Max Bounty dashboard, you would basically just go and search campaigns. You would go up here and then click search options, and then under categories, if you go to e-commerce and hit search, it's going to show you all the different e-commerce options that they have available. And then of course you can see all the different rates. Some of them start getting pretty high with like these BarkBox subscriptions and things like that. You can make some pretty good money. And we're talking about maybe making $100 a day. So like for example, if you made a page around snoring, this one gets $37 per lead. If you get like 3 leads a day, you're already at $100 a day. So it's definitely very possible to make $100 a day with Instagram affiliate marketing. Today, since we already have the pet page already set up, I'm actually going to go ahead and choose a pet product that I saw in here earlier. Let's see, it was this one. So basically it is a pet multivitamin. So with this Instagram account, what I would basically do is I would just keep posting about pets, about dogs, things like that. And then eventually, over time, I would kind of work in our multivitamin into our feed as well, and really start promoting the multivitamin as well, and start getting some of the traffic from these pet owners to be interested in grabbing multivitamins for their pets through the pages. So that's how we got that got started with this here today. It gets paid $32 a lead. So after about 3 conversions, I'm pretty much at the $100 a day already. And that's definitely something that's doable. It doesn't have any kind of cap. It's mobile optimized, which is great since it's going to be coming from Instagram. Pretty much all the traffic on Instagram is mobile, so that's excellent. And then here is the landing page. So basically hip and joint care, soft chew, 100% flavor guarantee, vet approved, save up to 75% off plus free shipping. And again, veterinary recommended, safe and effective for your pet. It's an all-natural formula. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So it's like a really nice page. They've got it well built out. They got some extra buying options here too, where you get like a discount and all of that good stuff. So that's what we're going to be promoting here today. Now that we know what kind of offer we're going to promote, the only other thing that we really need to do is now begin to set up our ClickFunnels bridge page to basically guide the traffic from Instagram over to the offer that we're going to be promoting, which is going to be this PetJoy product here today. So to do that, what we're going to do is go ahead and go over to ClickFunnels. I believe I already have it set up here. And we're going to build out our Instagram ClickFunnels page to be able to transfer the traffic from Instagram over to our actual offer here. If you guys have ClickFunnels and you're looking for this ClickFunnels lander template, you can basically find that in the AFK form. So again, if you guys haven't already signed up for the AFK form, you can do that by using the link in the description down below. In there, you will find a section that has a 3-step training with this ClickFunnels template in there for you to be able to use. So that's where I got this from, and then I just kind of edited it myself to make it look like this, and I'll show you guys exactly how I did that here today, how I found some of the images, and how I got like the background set up and everything. But to start, let's go ahead and talk about the quiz, because that's going to be the main purpose of this. So what's going to happen is we're going to go ahead and send traffic from Instagram to this funnel, where they're basically going to see this quiz here, which happens to be a 2-question quiz. The first one being, how did you hear about this offer? And then of course they would say Instagram, and then the next one is going to say, where are you from? And it's going to give out a couple options, some popular ones like United States, United Kingdom, and I think I have New Zealand on this one because I do a lot of traffic in New Zealand. And then the last option is always other, as you can see here today, because I always want to have an option for someone to choose, even if they're not part of one of those locations, especially when it's coming from Instagram free traffic, which I can't really get too detailed targeted on, so I'm not exactly sure where all of the traffic is coming from, and I do want to be able to take advantage of it. So to do this, set up this quiz, you would basically click on it, you would hit survey options. It would give you 2 quiz questions here to basically fill out, where you can click on it and fill in the answers, as I did here already. And then if you wanted to add more questions or manage a question, you could do that here or here. And then basically, after you have set up these 2 questions, the only other thing that you would need to do next is basically set up the outcome, which would be down here where you set up your custom redirect code. So what we would do to get that would be at your actual affiliate link here today. So what I want you to do is basically go back to Max Bounty, and we're going to build out our tracking link. This is going to be used on social media since we're using it on Instagram, and we just want the raw link today. And then if you guys don't have trackers, or if you don't want to use a tracker with this, there are some other options to kind of see where your traffic is coming from. So comparing this link to maybe something else that you post on Facebook or other things like that. To track it, you could put IG bio in here, since this would be coming from your IG, or you could just put IG in general. So whenever a conversion comes with this, you will be able to see, where it came from just by looking at the sub IDs, and you can see that it came from IG bio, which I misspelled. So let me do it again because I have OCD, and we're good. So now that we have the link, we can go ahead and do a custom redirect here, and we're going to go ahead and save it. So now the quiz and the redirect are all set up. We would just have to fill out the rest of our page like I have done here today. So we would just need to add an image up at the top just to kind of make everything look nice and tie in with the actual lander itself. As you see, the company name is PetJoy. So I did try and find this image, but it's super, super small. So I did have to do something else to be able to find an image for them. So I basically just typed in PetJoy logo over here on Google, and I downloaded this one, and this one, this one. But again, this one was super small, so I ended up using this one. It looks pretty nice. And that's how I got that. And now as for the background, I just went to settings, I chose background, and then I clicked over here, and I went to background image, and then I just chose this gold one here, and I hit add. So that's how I got that there. And then the save up to 75% off plus free shipping, veterinarian recommended. That's where I got right here, right on the landing page itself. So again, guys, if you guys aren't aware, you can find a lot of great ad copy and things for the actual offer, obviously on the lander itself, or it will at least give you a really good idea and a starting point on what to write yourself to get people to want to click on your link and basically follow through. So that's where I got that. And then that's pretty much it. So the only other thing that we would do at this point is you would hit back, and we would need to collect our ClickFunnels URL right here. And then what I like to do, if you guys have seen any of my videos, I like to shorten it just because I don't like it to be super long. To me, and I'm sure to a lot of other people, it's really ugly. I know what ClickFunnels is, so if I saw a ClickFunnels thing, I'm already kind of thinking that this person's trying to funnel me into something, so I just copy it and I'd always shorten it. So now that you have the URL, what you can do now is we can come back over here to our bio, and we can come back and add it in here, put this new one in, and then basically hit submit. It's not doing it here for me now just because this is the same link. I've already got it in there, as you guys can see. But for you, you would just hit save, and then that's pretty much it. So you have pretty much the whole funnel, the whole setup set up. The only thing that you need to do now is to drive traffic to your actual page. So the ways to do that I usually recommend is going to hashtags and finding relevant hashtags for your dogs. So, or for the offer. So this is like a pet multivitamin. So you could see other, type in like, dogs or dogs of Instagram or any of these hashtags really. You could go through them and see who is basically posting them. You can like their photos, you can follow them, you can DM them, you can, comment on their stuff and really build a relationship with them, which will get them interested again, obviously, in the things that you're saying, the things that you're promoting, like the pet multivitamins that we saw here today. So keep that in mind. And then basically, guys, what you would want to do at this point is just keep posting relevant content, doing the things that I just told you, and really growing your account. And that's how you're going to start building in some of that traffic and start making $100 a day with Instagram affiliate marketing. Another great tip for this, guys, is if you build an email list, that's going to be another way that you can have some income coming in.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.